if you want to do a tendon repair, you have to be able to draw one. This is a big challenge to learning how to do these in an operating theatre. Here's how. Using this Samsung Ultra, because I'm not the best of artists, and it makes a nice sketch for us. So here are the different options. Let's go with this one. So we're going to do a cruciate repair, which is a 4-stranded tendon repair. And it needs to have a cross in the center of the repair. A continuous line means you're outside the tendon and the suture is visible. A dashed line means you're inside and you can't see the suture from the outside. You're sitting somewhere here and this is the tendon in front of you. It starts with an oblique by entering into the center of the tendon substance. You start obliquely and exit through the side. The exit point has to be at least 1 centimeter from the site of division. You can see the suture here, you can't see it here, so it's a dashed line. We need to get from this point to this point, so that has to be a longitudinal bite. So we've exited through the side, we have to do a longitudinal bite from this side to this side, so that's going to mean that we come out here and go in here. That will leave a loop on top. Once you go in here, you exit at the site of division and go all the way down, and you exit 1 centimeter distance on top. When you go in on top, you come out on top. You now need to go from this point to this point, because we have to make a crucifix in the site of division, don't we? If you come out on top, you need to go in through the side. That creates a loop here. You need to continue that to the other side. You can't see it here, but you see it when it exits. You go in here, you won't see it, you won't see it, you won't see it. You come out on top. We need to get from this point to this point, so that's going to be a longitudinal bite. We've exited through the side, we come in on top. You see it, you don't see it anymore. You come down here. When you go in longitudinally, you exit longitudinally on top. So at least 1 centimeter distance from the site of division. As always, we need to get from this point to the center to meet this oblique bite and make that one continuous suture. To do that, we have to go in through the side, which makes a loop that's visible. We go across, we go across, we go across. We see it and we tie it.